Welcome to Workday HCM Search. In this session, we'll identify and demonstrate the search functionality in Workday. Workday has many different search features that allow you to efficiently navigate Workday. These search features include the search bar, search field prompts, and search reports. Global Search is the core navigation tool within Workday. Use the search bar in the header to search for tasks, reports, business objects, and more. For an efficient experience, Workday uses the following functionality to provide you with the most accurate search results. Search categories allow you to prioritize and order the most relevant search results when you enter a term or phrase in the search bar and select Enter. Predictive searches provide you with the best matched search results with minimal typing. Enter at least 3 characters to display predictive suggestions. Prefix searches quickly narrow search results by restricting results to a specific Workday object. Now that we've reviewed the Workday search bar functionality, let's explore an example. Meet Logan McNeil, Vice President of Human Resources. She will use the search bar to locate data in Workday HCM. To accomplish this, Logan will search for data using the search bar, define search categories, and narrow search results with predictive and prefix searches. Jennifer will demonstrate how Logan accomplishes these tasks.
In this example, I want to find the employee, Jack Taylor. I'll type his name into the search bar. Notice that the search bar generates common type-ahead results that relate to the name I entered. I could select a specific result from these options, but in this example, I'll select the search icon to view the results in further detail. This page displays the search results in a full-page view. Notice here there are search categories. These categories enable users to limit the scope of their search, producing faster and more accurate results. My default search category is currently set to People. By using a more targeted search category, I'll receive more filtered results. I now have only 2 results containing Jack's employee data. Next, I'll search the supervisory organization that Jack manages, IT Help Desk. Using this broad scope, I receive business data that covers various aspects of the organization. However, if I select Organizations, I can more easily find the IT Help Desk supervisory organization. It's also important to note that the search only finds exact matches. If a search term is misspelled, I won't receive correct results. For instance, if I go back to the search bar and misspell Help Desk, I don't receive any results. I can also use a partial search on data in the Workday system. For instance, if I wanted to create a supervisory organization, I can simply type in CRESUPORG to view the relevant search results. There is also a search prefix feature to find specific business data in Workday. I'll type a question mark into the search bar. To search using a prefix, I'll type in a prefix found in this list, followed by a colon and the information I'm looking for. When using prefixes, you must use all lowercase letters. For instance, if I wanted to find an employee, I would type in worker followed by a colon.
There are many ways to search in Workday, and it's important to understand the different ways to navigate to data. Similar to Global Search, you can use search field prompts throughout Workday. You often use this type of search when the system displays a prompt to search for existing information in the system and help you navigate search fields. Search field prompts display different folders with all the available content in relation to that field. There are 2 ways to use this search type. The first is to select each relevant folder until you find the item that you're searching for. Alternatively, you can enter a search term in the field. The system then searches against the data applicable to that selection to narrow the results. At times, the prompt field displays a prompt list icon. This is a single select field where you can only select one value from the prompt list. The list will no longer display after you select a value. However, if the prompt list continues to display, then the field is multi-select, and you can select one or more values from the prompt list as necessary. The field will expand as you select additional values. Select the X to remove any values from the list. Now, let's discuss search reports. You can narrow and organize large groups of data in search reports by sorting and applying filters. For example, the Find Workers report allows you to locate active workers by the values defined by your organization. Search reports operate on a specific data source and contain 3 sections: the results, the search bar, and the defined filters. The results section contains the results of the search report. By default, Workday displays the entire data set. Use the search bar or the given values to narrow the results. Located at the top of the report, enter a term or phrase in the search bar to narrow the search results from the dataset. Filters display on the left side, and each category contains one or more values. Locate different categories and select key values to filter the results. You can reuse search report results by creating a saved search. Use saved searches to access a specific dataset at a future time or to complete other tasks. To save search results, select the Save button and enter a corresponding name. You can access all of your saved searches below the search bar. It's important to note that only you can access your saved searches and they are not available to other workers. In this session, we've reviewed how to efficiently search in Workday by using global search, search field prompts, and search reports. Thank you for taking the time to learn with Workday.